Hello, my name is Ankit Chauhan, and today I'm going to explain about the MUI. So basically, Material UI. Material UI is a popular React component library that provides ready-to-use UI components following the Google's Material design principles. It helps developers to build attractive, consistent, and responsive user interface in a quick time, and are not required to build the all the UI from the scratch. Now, why should we use Material UI? So basically, there are multiple reasons. So I will explain few of the reasons. So first will be fast development. As in the Material UI, there are already predefined components are there. So there will be definitely means developers are not building the UI from the scratch. So definitely it will take much lesser time than to build from the scratch. Then consistency, as we can see, means Material UI is a React component library, so it has multiple components, and newly modified components are daily updated in the Material UI library. So definitely it will give a unique look to a unique user interface to the end user. Third is the customization, and in the means in the Material UI, it can be themed and styled according to the project needs. So that is basically customizing. It means that we can customize as per the requirement of the project. And then we can see the the another reason is the performance. As means As it is a React library, and React is already means it already work fast, as it has the virtual DOM. It re-render the component only. It re-renders only that particular component. So definitely it is faster than other like framework like Angular and all. So definitely performance is one of the reason that we should use uh, Material UI. Now, as we can see in the screen, I have built uh, this project using the Material UI. As we can see here, this is the basically I will explain each and everything here. And as we can see here, this is the navbar component, and let me take you to the code. So this is actually navbar component code, and as we can see here, all the links which I have actually displayed in the navbar: home, about, services, contact, dashboard, are written here inside an array. And here we can see I have used multiple uh, uh, MUI components, and we can see here this is for example, this is the app bar. And the most means important reason to use the MUI is that means it provides a lot of components. We can directly, just if I search this MUI in the Material UI website, so we can see actually directly it provides means all the output as well as the code. We can actually directly copy and paste this code, and we can actually get the navbar as per our need, and we can customize it according to our need. So this is the app bar, and similarly, I have used different components here. As we can see here, this is the display. Sorry, toolbar, toolbar icon button. As in the here we can see that there are different icons I have provided for home, about, services, contact, dashboard. So Material UI also provides the different icons which we can use directly. And here is the search button, as I have provided. Sorry, search input that I have provided, in which we can search the whatever the things we require. So there are different components. For this is the typography component. This is basically used to write the text, and we can any textual things we can for any textual thing we can use this typography. And I have and as this variant is H6. So as we know, in the HTML there are means different variants for the uh, text, H1 to H6. So we can provide a variant according to our need. And then again, this is the the search bar and the desktop navigation link I have wrapped inside the box component, and I have as nav link is an array, so I have mapped it inside the button, and we can click, and we will get the different we can get to different links. So yeah, as we can see for the search bar also I have used box component, and for the right side icons also I have used the box component, and I have used here drawer as well, as I have made uh, this project responsive. So for that I have used the drawer, and this sx is there, in which we can add different properties as per our needs, and this xs and md means this is basically used for the responsiveness, means medium size and medium size, small size we can use here. And a drawer, let me show you how the drawer looks. Yeah. So this is basically how in the mobile view this how the page looks, and this is the drawer. It is coming from the left side, and we can click and get to any page as per our requirement in the mobiles. So this is basically in the nav bar I have used, and then let's go to home page. Uh, this is the home page, and as we can see here that it looks very much means attractive and in the proper way, proper way. And in this, yeah, for this also, for image also I have used the box here, and for the background image I have added the image url here, and then I have added the typography component here, in which we can see here this welcome to my MUI app. And then yeah, so basically I have used a grid here, and inside that I have as the features is there, means I have taken inside an array, and I have mapped that features inside the card. What actually grid is used for to display the cards and different components in a column. For that grid is used, and as we can see these three cards are here, and and as we can see here it is appeared in three columns. Then I have displayed the progress bars here, yeah. And for the progress bar, to display the progress bar, I have used this linear progress component. It has value 80, 90, 70. And what does these values represent? It represent up to what extent this progress is going on. Like for example, second is the highest, and we can see that I have given the maximum 90 value here. So this is all about the home page. Then let's go to uh, uh, ser- services. And as you can see here that I have imported multiple components here as per our requirement, and our services. Yeah. So in this I have wrapped all of these things inside a container, and container is basically means as it name itself displays that it will contain means different components or different things which we want to display. For example, in the HTML we call it as a div, so that same way it works in the MUI container. And this is the typography. Then inside the list I have displayed all the list items which I need to display. For example, this custom development, cloud service, whatever the services we are providing in this, I am displaying inside the list item components. Now again for the this table in which I'm comparing the different plans, I have used paper. So paper and card are means basically we can say they are same, but only the difference is that in the paper we add elevations, and it appears like it is floating from the screen. So that is basically in the paper we can say. As I have not added any elevations here, so it looks similar to the paper, sorry, card only. And yeah, and for displaying the table, I have used table head, table row, and in which I have uh, used all the components required to build the table. And for here also, I mean, this service and customer feedback as well, I have used paper only, and inside that paper I have used box, and in which I am actually sorry, yeah, I have taken the text fields in which this input tags are there, and this in the in these are the basically input fields in the HTML. uh, so yeah, this is how the text fields looks on the front end. And then I have added a submit inquiry button here. Yeah, submit inquiry button. And color primary means we can add, by default there are 5 to 6 different type of variants, means colors are there, but we can also change as per our need. And similarly for the paper, for the feedback as well, I have used the paper only, and we can see here that I have given this uh, a rating. For that I have used this rating component, and on change it will actually set the set rating to new value, and I have defined it here. By default I have given here the 4, and as we can see the rating is 4, and it is changed as per the need. So this is the services. Then let's talk about the contact page. In the contact page as well, as we can see, there's different input fields are there. And for here, as we can see, I have used box and typography for the textual content, and I have used stack here. So stack and basically and grid are basically, I mean, in the grid when we want to display the things in the column, for that we use grid. And stack when we want to display the components in a vertical manner. As we can see, this all these input fields are in the vertical uh, manner. And yeah, for that I have used the stack. And I have provided the submit button as well. And then as we can see here, these are the different icons which I have imported from the material UI. We can import directly Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. It will directly provide the icons of the this specific things. And then I have used this uh, yeah, then again I have used grid here to display the things in the column wise, as we can see here. And then yeah, here also again I'm displaying the table. And for the table again as well, I am using this table container and table sale. What this table sale basically is are the day opening time and closing time, whatever the title we want to give. These are the table sales. And then this is the, I have mapped this uh, array here in the table sales. And we can see here this day Monday to Friday open, all these things are mapped. So this is uh, all about the contact page. Now let's move into dashboard page. Okay. Now dashboard. In the dashboard, I have actually displayed the this graphs, and this is also we can. display using the material UI only. And here, as I have used paper only to display the heading. And yeah, as we can see here, I have used the bar chart component inside the grid as I have displayed in the two columns here. So this both we can import different type of charts provided in the material UI. This is the means for example, this is the bar chart, pie chart, and similarly various different type of chart it provides as per our need. And again, I have wrapped this inside the container, all of these things. And yeah, I have provided here the linear progress. And yeah, and this is the slider. Actually, this will work like this, means this value increases double uh, compared to this progress bar. And for this, I have here this linear progress bar and slider component to display the progress. And yeah, I am taking this on change value. By default it is 70, the progress is 70, and then it will change according to the uh, progress, as we can see here. And then this is the about page, about the project. As yeah, so I have displayed actually this these three these three directors of our team. And to display this as well, I have used the grid here, as all the three things are displayed in the column. And these team members I have put inside this an array, and I have mapped here. And then, as you can see, I have provided spacing, and for the responsiveness I have provided this access, small size, all of these things. And for displaying the image, I have actually used the this avatar component from the material UI. And this the in our journey, as we can see here, that these are the things founded in 2010, launched first product in 2012, expanded globally in 2015. And for this, I have used this another new component. This is the stepper. It will again, as timeline stems I have mapped, as I have defined here inside the array. Yes, and then this is the various step and step level. Means this is the different steps, like this founded in 2010. Next step is launched first product in 2012. So this is the way the progress means different steps for the company, as I have displayed here. And then again, I have used awards. For awards and recognition, I have again used this card component. Yes, this is the card component, and this is the image. And this is again one of the things that I have added, fa cubes. And this is for this I have used this accordion component. And again, this I have defined this faqs inside an array. And then I have mapped that faqs in the accordion. And then here, yes, and this expand icon, expand more icon, actually this is it. It is expanding, as we can see here. What services do you offer? We offer a software solution for businesses. So this is actually how the expand icon I have used here. And this is again to displaying the images. I have used this image list component. And again, I have mapped those all those images in the uh, as it is in the array. And all of these things I have wrapped inside the container. Okay, so that is all about this project. So basically, as we can conclude it from here, that material UI provides means multiple inbuilt components, and it will really help to build means really user means user friendly interface in a short and quick period of time. So thank you so much. This is all about the material UI.